commission your sensor, you'll need an active internet connection and the Nexa app installed on your mobile device. Open the Nexa app. Tap Equipment and locate your Tekmar boiler control system. If your device isn't registered, follow the instructions in the Controls Installation Manual. Next, tap Connected Devices and tap Add. Remove the covering on the back of the sensor and scan the QR code. Enter a name and select a location. When prompted, press the Join button on the sensor. A confirmation message will appear on screen when the device successfully joins the mesh network. If you need to retry joining the network, press and hold the RST, Reset, or Wi-Fi logo button for 20 seconds to reset the device. The wireless mesh sensor features a built-in LED indicator light to display system status during the commissioning process. Flashing green indicates your sensor is attempting to connect to the mesh network. Solid green indicates your sensor has successfully connected. Flashing red indicates your sensor has failed to connect. Should this occur, reset your sensor and repeat the commissioning process. The LED indicator also displays signal strength. You can also view all devices and check their signal strength through the Nexa app. If the signal is poor, consider adding a Tekmar Mesh Network Extender 041 to improve range. Scan the QR code in your guide for more details. Maintaining the wireless mesh sensor is simple. Just replace the batteries as needed. Battery status can be viewed on the Connected Devices Sensor tab of your boiler control equipment page on Nexa. For best performance, use AA lithium batteries in outdoor sensors and AA alkaline batteries in indoor sensors. Congratulations! You've now successfully commissioned the Tekmar wireless mesh sensor.